Yes, yes, I told you. It's Paco Rabanne, and it's a plastic disc made to look like either shower disc or lollipops or something. I like them because they're like lozenges, pastille of candy, or bubbles of soap bubbles.
Bubbles.
Caught onto metal. Certainly Paco Rabanne did something no one else did.
And the noise is amazing. You're happy when you see something amazing.
Yes.
This is the only one that you hear the person coming. And all your senses are engaged.
Yeah, it's wonderful. Noise couture is a very fabulous concept. We should not talk, get her walking, and just hear this vest. Marvelous. Ah. Marvelous. I have nothing to say except it's a wonderful fantasy. Enough said.